Do you want to acquire a new skill right now and start your own business? If your answer is yes, then watch this detailed 15-hour long practical course on tailoring. The Indian tailoring market is estimated to be pegged at 27,000 crores, growing at around 12% every year. So now you must be eager to learn the craft of tailoring. The good news is that you don't need to spend thousands of rupees to attend a tailoring class. You will learn from an expert right now with just one subscription to Freedom app. In this course, your mentor will be Miss Yogita Ravindra Kumar, a successful fashion designer who has a lot of experience in this industry. So let me tell you, what will you learn in these 15 video lessons? You shall learn fundamentals of tailoring. You will learn about pattern making and fabric selection. You will learn how to take accurate measurements and create custom garments. You will learn about mastering neckline stitching techniques. And our mentor will practically show you how to draft, cut and stitch garments like basic kurti, boat neck kurti, pajama, palazzo, traditional blouse, traditional lehenga, traditional gown, jabla, dupatta and a basic frock. So basically you will get A to Z knowledge of tailoring basics in this course. And we have a great offer for you. If you buy this course right now, you will get a course completion certificate and access to Freedom app's marketplace, where you can sell your products and services to over 1 crore users of Freedom app at no extra cost. Not only that, you can also connect with expert mentor over a video call and get all your queries answered after watching the course. Don't wait. Download Freedom app now.